All right, let's be real. You did not open up your app today for a market update. You're probably looking for tips on how to hang garland or for a foolproof sugar cookie recipe for all things holiday. So I am not going to bore you with your typical market update. Instead, I'm going to talk to you about our favorite Christmas movie characters. And then I'll let them explain the market instead. Hey, I'm Annette Marble, your favorite key real estate Christmas character in and around Columbus, Ohio. All right, let's start out with our favorite, Buddy the Elf. Is this you? Whether you're buying or selling, you're just smiling because it's your favorite and excited to get moving. Some people may think that you're a little bit naive, but like Buddy, you know what matters, and mostly to you and your goals are crystal clear. So keep your eye on Santa. I mean the prize, your new home. Clark Griswold, your lender. Your lender is more than a numbers guy or gal. They have the eyes on the big picture as well, getting you into your home so that you can create fun and fashionable memories with the people that you love and the lengths you'll go to get there. Marvin Harry from Home Alone. These guys are obstacles. Even the smoothest of transactions have at least one obstacle to overcome. The appraisal, the inspection, title work, tons of hurdles. In most transactions, there is at least one. But like Harry and Marv, the bank is usually a lot bigger than the bite. They can be overcome, and it takes a battle plan to determine whether Kevin McAllister is worth it. The Grinch, aka the Feds. I know. But deep down, these guys have been burned before, and they're just trying to do the best for the market. Even if it wouldn't want to touch the current interest rates with a 39.5-foot pole, things may stink right now, but just like the Grinch, can't actually ruin Christmas. The Feds can actually ruin your plans, but we may just have to be a little bit more creative. How about Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? Your friendly agent is just trying to make light of the way through the foggy market with a clear sense of direction and optimism. Some people may think I'm crazy to keep smiling so bright with all these housing haze, but I'm positive that I can lead you to the great way of getting you a new home. And don't forget, as always, we're in and around Columbus, Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.